720. Stupid thing to load. Oh man. Whatever. I hate this network.
Sellers Wedding Weekend is back this summer and bigger than ever. Shop up to 50% off loose diamonds and engagement rings, or buy one get one half off wedding rings. Visit us at Diamond Sellers Wedding Weekend, Friday, July 28th and Saturday, July 29th on Sawmill Road.
3 a.m. It's noon, and I'm thinking, well, got my Sunday clear, so here we go. And I'm not kidding you, it was 11 o'clock, 11:30 before I gave up. We got the bed and the ladder portion and the desk underneath done. And of course, now we got to figure out how to move it back to its place, because you had to keep it away from the wall a little bit to secure some of the nuts and bolts on the back end of it. Yeah. So then once you do that and you got the top piece on it, it's this big, humongous 7,000-pound bed. How the hell do you move it? Which is me and the wife. Like, someone tweeted me, oh, just put this little super slider things under it. No! No! You can't!
You know what you should have did? You should have called me, and I would have moved it for you.
You ain't helping me with this, man. I'm not bringing you down from Powell to move a bed. It's just so embarrassing. No, I hit a point where we've been working on this for 7 or 8 hours. Sarah was gone for a big chunk of the day, went to the graduation party, so we were building the hutch cabinet thing the wrong way. Like, we had assembled it and turned it around the wrong way. We needed the cabinet to face out. The directions were confusing as to which lines we were supposed to walk down to get the bed a certain configuration. And so, like, 8 hours into this, like, she's back home, and we've got, like, the bed turned sideways, and the room's small to begin with, which is why we're getting a bed like this, but there's just nowhere to move. It's so bulky, there's nowhere to walk around, there's no carpet space, there's bags here, there's boxes there, there's the pieces of wood that we haven't assembled yet, and I start walking, like, tight-roping in between two of the pieces, and I fall down, and I catch myself on the bed, and it, like, turns halfway, and she has to catch me, and I just start laughing. I just lose it. I start laughing.
That's when you know you lost.
I turned. I've never felt this way before. I was absolutely delirious. I had lost it. I was laughing like the Joker. I'd lost my damn mind. This went on for 4 minutes. Tears were coming down my face. I was laughing so hard. And by the time I crashed on the couch, I mean, the golf had been over for 6 hours. And I didn't tweet, I didn't look at my phone all day putting this together. And I just, like, was mentally shot.
But you ultimately got the bed.
We had to go back this morning to finish, like, other components and the drawers and everything, so it went into today before I came to work. But I can't even describe, like, my mental state from all this yesterday. I just want to know, like, did you, Bodie, you were telling me in the break that
723
you had to attempt one of these workout machines? That sounded like a living hell.
Yeah, that took, I went out there.
Going to hell.
Put this together, then I'm going to work out.
Like a Bowflex thing with the...
It was that.
That's funny. That's funny to think that.
That's the thing. You shouldn't think that. Why do we think that?
I will put it together and then work out. No, not putting together is the workout.
Great idea. So it was a lat pull-down machine.
Oh, God.
Squat rack, so it was just, like, attached to it. So I didn't really think it'd be that bad. I mean, it would be hard, probably 3.5, 4 hours. I did work out after, probably worse than working out because my body was just so tired. Like, I was gassed.
I can't move anymore already.
I was kind of, had to take a break at one point because I was like 2 hours in. I was like, well, I'm hungry now, so let me just take a TV time out here. Went in, got something to eat. It was just, I was going to mow later that day.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, that was no chance that happened. Like, it was like, had all these things. I was like, it's going to be a busy day, but I'll get it all knocked out. And that was
Go ahead, you're fine.
the only thing I did because it just took so long.
All right.
I can't look at unfinished work. It's a sickness that I have.
Yeah,
I can't pause.
Yep.
It took everything in my body last night to keep going because the work wasn't done. But the day was done. Like, there was no choice.
Okay.
I had eaten up every last second of the day, and I had to stop, or I think I might have died. I might have cracked. Something might have snapped in my brain. I would have had an aneurysm, and I would have been
I
gone.
really wish I could have been a fly on the wall to see you.
You don't, man.
I would have laughed at you. I would have laughed.
Sometimes, like, we play it up for the air, right? I'm serious. I was a mental mess. I felt sick. I was sick at the end of the day.
I'm laughing at the pain.
I couldn't talk to my family. Like, we watched Lost before they went to bed. We're rewatching that show right now, and I was just like catatonic. I was just stoic. They're trying to make some jokes about it. I'm just not ready to hear the jokes
You
yet.
gotta laugh to keep from crying, you know? It almost reminds me of the day I put my kids' crib together by myself.
Crib was the hardest thing
It was
you've
bad.
ever assembled?
It was bad.
You know anything harder than a crib?
No, you know why it was bad?
Because you had to do it
11.
yourself?
But that's not the part. Is that I got almost done with it
You're
before
fine.
I realized that I had
Come
a
on.
piece on the wrong way, and I had to take the whole thing back apart again.
Yes.
Put the whole
Yes.
thing back. That right there is when you just throw the tools in the air and just walk out for a second.
Put the
Good
tools
news
in the air.
Is I have now assembled
Pistol.
the most difficult thing to assemble in the history of the world.
You should be on task rabbit for it now.
I could be. I've got a
Charge
job
my
waiting for
arm
me.
and the
I
leg.
know how to do that.
Charge
Yeah.
my arm and the leg.
Like, oh, you got a loft bed? Hey, I know how to do it.
I'll
You just have to
come-
let me stay in your house for 12 straight hours. That's the only downside of this. Oh, by the way, word to the wise, get you a permanent set of one of those Allen wrench tools. You have one of those, Bodie? Like an actual tool set with the Allen wrenches of different sizes on it?
Yeah, yep, we had one
Good.
of those.
Jesus Christ, really? Dang network. And it doesn't rebuffer. Fuck, come on. And the station never cuts out. And there's no signal. Awesome.
Solar's wedding weekend is back this
And I
summer.
missed half of it, of course.
Shop up to 50% off loose diamonds and engagement
I
rings,
said it.
or buy one
I get a
one
chance.
half
I am
off
getting rid of
wedding
this network.
rings. Visit us at Diamond Sellers.
Ditch it and go to Verizon.
July 28th
I don't care what I have to
July
pay.
29th on Selma.
I just want a better network.
Hey, Illinois, you know what? Bet Rivers Sportsbook app is here, featuring enhanced same-game parlays for football, baseball, basketball, and hockey. Or multi-game same-game parlays, where you combine
not
multiple
the app.
same-game parlays in a single
Cutting out
bet for
everywhere.
bigger payouts. Add exclusive stats, player tips, plus new instant bets, and any way you bet it, Bet Rivers' new and improved.
Fuck. I'm so sick of this. I'm out. Nope. I'm out. See if we can get. Can't really miss this one. I'm driving. There's no signal. Awesome. Fuck. Crummy ass network. Seven. I don't want to be sitting stationary for too long. One of the damn mosquitoes will start biting. Come on. Come on. Of all the nights for this to not want to work. Come on. Damn it. What the fuck? Now let's work. Come on, man. Now let's work. phone might need reset. I'm just fed up with this. Nothing. There's no signal. Nope. Nope, nothing's loading. Nope, no signal. Go figure. Better restart it. I'm just going to do a hard reset and I'll hopefully fix the problem. Hope. Hopefully this fixes the issue.
We're recording this progressive commercial on the radio to let people know that when you phone on your home, food, and other vehicles, Progressive saves you money, Jamie. Why are we doing this on the phone? We were going for authenticity. Authenticity!
You mean Atlantic City? But we're not in the Atlantic! Are we?
Bundle your home and other vehicles with Progressive. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers. Discount not